Welcome back to my channel. My name is Adriana. I actually was hearing a lot to Ariana Grande's song No Tears Left to Cry, and this is inspired look that I thought it would be cute to recreate. So here it is. So guys, stay tuned and let's see. If you want to get this look, then keep on watching. Thank you. First, I'm going to be taking my Badescu facial spray, and with this I'm going to be spraying it all over my face and neck area to kind of keep the face mist throughout the day. Then taking the Equate All Day Moisturizing Lotion. I'm going to be applying this as a little primer. Next, I'm going to be taking the E.L.F. Shadow Lock shade Sheer and applying this in my eyes just so the eyeshadows can stay on for a while. Then just taking a regular tape, putting this over the outer corner of my eye. Next, I'm taking the Wet n Wild shade Panther, and I think it's 255D. I'm gonna create kind of like a wing eyeliner look and create a smoky eye at the same time, because on her video that's what just kind of like brought my attention. Taking the Revlon Flirtatious palette 503 and the color purple. I'm going to be using this on my crease, and I'm just going to be applying this with a regular brush, a fluffy brush to be exact. And I kept on going in with also Panther from Wet n Wild, but at the same time I kept using the purple from the Flirtatious Revlon. I kept on going back in with Panther and try to create like a wing eyeliner and going in on my crease also and make it kind of the black stand out a bit more, because it did look in her video that she had that kind of black cat eyeliner look, but at the same time it was kind of like a smoky eye. That's the only way I can describe this. Just be careful when you take out the tape because it does hurt. So I will recommend you to put it on your palm first to remove the stickiness. Then I'm taking the little burgundy color that was in that palette, and I think it's the MAC palette that I have of Hello Kitty. And I'm going over my crease just so the purple can stand out at the same time a bit more on this. Taking the E.L.F. Shadow Lock again and creating like putting all over my inner corner and on the lid. And I went back with my finger just so I can dry a bit more faster. I used a small brush and took out my Morphe 350M palette and took out the lightest shades on this palette. Mix them all of them together and put them on top of where I put the E.L.F. Shadow Lock. Kept going on the inner corner and on the middle lid. I went back in with Panther and put it all over my crease, but I'm using here my Too Faced lip injection to make my lips more plumper. I'm taking the green concealer on this little palette that I have here just to kind of hide my pimples or whatever red spots that I have on my face. I'm taking my Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation shade Desert Beige, and with the little application thing that they have, I'm going to be applying it. Also taking my damn beauty blender to apply this foundation. Also, you put it on your neck area because you don't want to see like two different colors. Taking the Wet n Wild Dual End Contour stick, contour stick, shade light and medium. I'm gonna be contouring my face with this one first. Creating that 3 or imaginary 3 on my cheeks, through my forehead, then kind of making my nose a bit more snatched. And again, taking my damn beauty blender and mixing, well, not mixing, but blending whatever I put on my face in. I'm gonna be using here the contouring palette from Wet n Wild, shade Caramel Toffee, and going whatever I did with the contour stick, just to kind of set this product in. Taking the City Color Airbrush Finish Powder, shade Translucent, and kind of bake my face. In the package it does say that it bakes. With this product, I feel like it does give you a flashback, and it was like my first time trying it. The Anastasia Dip Brow, shade Medium Brown, and I'm gonna be doing my eyebrows with this pomade. You can shape your eyebrows however you want. I'm taking the e.l.f. Clear Brow and Lash Mascara and set the product in, and also to make my hairs more visible and just kind of make them stop there. Taking Soap and Glory Super Cat Skinny Eyeliner, and I'm gonna do a cat eyeliner look to make the black stand out. So just do a wing eyeliner here. I'm really not good at the wing eyeliner, so I'm sorry for this. Going back in with Panther to kind of make the ends stand out more, then going over my crease with the black. Then I'm gonna take Kiss Ritzy eyelash set, and I'm gonna be applying this on my eyes. Falsies, why not? They just make your eyes pop out a bit more than what you think of. It like finishes up the look that you created, makes it stand out more. And I'm also really not good at applying falsies. I'm still practicing on that. I guess that's why I always wear mascara instead of falsies. So I'm taking a spoolie here. I did not use any sort of mascara. I think it was late at night when I did this video, so I obviously wasn't gonna be applying mascara, and then I do use waterproof. It doesn't come out. I took a black eyeliner, and then I think this one is from Wet n Wild, and went on my top waterline. And I'm taking my NYX lip liner, shade Mauve or Mauve, I can't really pronounce it. And I'm gonna be overdrawing my lips just a bit. Then I'm gonna be using my e.l.f. Golden Bronzer, and I'm gonna be applying it on my highest points and on the tip of my nose. I don't think I put any on my Cupid's bow. And just setting my face, and that's it. So obviously done with the video. This will be the finished look. I really like it. I enjoyed making this video, so hopefully you guys enjoy it too. You guys can follow me on my Instagram, but you guys can follow me there. I will be here, and I'm pretty sure my friend's gonna make fun of me just for doing, oh, it's there. But you know, You guys can follow me there and subscribe to my channel and like this video. You comments down below if you like this video or what looks do you want me to try. So yeah, so this is finished up, guys, and take care. Bye.